So as a member of ABAT, and thanks for tuning in to this next episode. As a member of ABAT, I got to learn more and more about the rights that consumers have in their policies, in their automotive collision policies, right? There's comprehensive, there's collision, there's uninsured motorist, there's liability. And, collision centers have struggled with insurance companies. So have healthcare providers, doctors, hospitals, anyone that has to do, with getting paid by a third-party insurance company, whether they're fixing your home or your boat, whatever it may be. There's always a desire to cut costs and save money as from the insurance perspective, right? That's generally not fair for the consumer. It generally is not fair, and it doesn't completely indemnify you. It doesn't make you whole. And that's the duty that they have in the policies that they sell, is that they will make you whole should you suffer any losses, right? So thanks for watching this episode. I hope you learned a little bit more. I hope I'm educating some of you all some and then providing good information for you all. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we hope to teach some more.